Now this says that software entities like classes, functions, and modules should be open for extension but closed for modification. This means that we should be able to add new functionality without changing existing code, and by using interfaces, abstract classes, or strategy patterns, we can make our systems more flexible and more adaptable. Now here we have this code, our discount calculator. We define the different discounts with if statements, right? Now the issue here is that if I want to add another discount, I need to actually go inside of this method and I need to start writing the discount. So at first glance, this doesn't seem like a big issue, but the problem is that we've probably already written tests for this code. It's probably used in multiple places. And if I go here and start modifying the existing code, I could break something in my system, and it's really just not the best way to do something at a larger scale. But what I'm going to show you here is one of the proposed solutions. So the first thing that we do is we define what's known as an abstract class. Now this is a class that we're going to inherit from, and we're going to override particular methods. In this case, we have this apply method, which will apply the discount. And when we inherit from this class, we're pretty much saying that we must write this apply method as a concrete implementation. Okay, so you can see now that for my discounts, rather than writing them inside of an if statement, I write them as their own class. Now inside of these classes, I can implement the method however I want. Now for the discount calculator, we take in some kind of discount strategy, and notice that I put the type here as discount. That is this abstract class, which means I can take any of these types of discounts, anything that's a subclass from discount, and as long as it has this apply method on it, then I can use it, and it doesn't matter what the actual implementation is. Our code is now much more flexible, it's easier to test, and we can add any types of discounts we want without having to do what we would do previously, which is go into this existing method, write another if statement, modify our tests, etc.